Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
I'd like to buy 2 tickets for a show, please.
Sure. Which show are you interested in?
Oh, I'm planning to see The Phantom of the Opera. Do you have tickets available for this weekend?
Let me check. Yes, we do. We have seats available for both the Saturday and Sunday shows. Which day would you prefer?
Saturday would be great. What time does the show start?
The show starts at 7:30 p.m. on Saturday.
Perfect. Could you tell me where the seats are located?
Absolutely. We have seats in the orchestra section, balcony, and mezzanine. Which would you prefer?
I'd like seats in the orchestra section. How much do those tickets cost?
The orchestra tickets are $80 each. Would you like to go ahead with those?
Yes, that sounds good. I'll take 2, please.
Great. Are these for you and someone else?
Yes, one is for me, and I'm getting an extra ticket, but I haven't decided who will join me yet.
No problem at all. Would you like to have the tickets emailed to you or printed here?
Could you print them for me? I'd prefer to have them in hand.
Of course, I'll print them out for you right now. Just to confirm, 2 tickets for the Phantom of the Opera this Saturday at 7:30 p.m. in the orchestra section. That will be $160 in total.
Yes, that's correct.
Great. How would you like to pay? Cash, credit card, or debit card?
I'll pay by credit card.
All right, please insert your card here and we're all set. Here are your tickets.
Thank you so much. I'm really looking forward to the show.
You're welcome. Just one more thing. Are you familiar with the theater's rules during the show?
I'm not entirely sure. Could you tell me more about them?
Sure. First, you should make sure your phone is on silent or turned off during the show. You wouldn't want it to ring and interrupt the performance.
Definitely. That makes sense.
And you shouldn't take any photos or videos during the show. It's not allowed, even though it might be tempting.
Okay, no recording.
Also, try not to talk during the performance as it can distract others around you. It's best to save your comments for after the show.
Right, I'll keep that in mind.
And lastly, it's important to arrive on time. If you're late, you might have to wait until a break in the performance to be seated.
Oh, I'll make sure to be there early then.
Perfect. That's about it. Oh, and just so you know, food and drinks aren't allowed inside the theater, but you can enjoy them during the intermission.
Great. Thanks for explaining everything.
I hope you have a fantastic time at the show.
I'm sure I will. Thanks again for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the show and take care.